We back with another video.
Where we going, guys?
Beach.
To the beach. We're going to Newport Beach today. We got Bea with us. Bea, say what's up to the vlog. Bea, say what's up to the vlog. Oh, she's just excited to be out. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a while since we took her anywhere with us. Just because everywhere we go, she's not a service dog, so everywhere we go, they're like not pet friendly, I guess. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Beach. She's super excited to be out. Ah, sorry. Super excited to be out.
Double up, 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up, I ain't telling no lies, I just, I ain't telling no lies, I just, 5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money, my dreams come true, my life in diamonds. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew? Go, go on. Who knew? Who knew?
Oh, you're tangled again. There we go. What's up, you guys? I hope you guys are enjoying this short video. Unfortunately, Destiny couldn't be with us at the beach because she had recently got her tonsils taken out and she is still recovering. But I do have some old footage of us at Six Flags that I haven't shared with you guys, so if you stick around, you guys can check it out. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on our next vlog. Peace. Alright, now get out. Get out! A zombie! Alright, Norma, you're gonna do the intro, okay? Porque sí, you're gonna say, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. Go. Come on! Say what up, at least. What's up, guys? There you go. Oh my goodness. There's no more food for Bea now. Ni comiste, Bea.
Oof, got your girl. You should have treated her right. Now she would have ripped. Yeah, she love it over here. Yeah, I love it over here.
Put your hands up, baby.
This wouldn't be a daddy-daughter Sunday vlog without Destiny. So I hope you enjoyed this old footage of us at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Peace.